Hello and welcome to today's knowledge share. Today I'd like to demonstrate an enhancement that I've made to an existing project, the Client-inception wizard. Now some of you may have seen some of my previous YouTube videos and the existing functionality is displayed over here on the left hand side. On the right hand side I've implemented a Telerik rad map, and this is the new functionality that I'd like to demonstrate for you today. Now just to recap on the existing functionality, the panel bar up here at the top will allow me to perform a Soundex or a proximity search on my client data. If we find that there's no duplicate entity, then we go ahead and we create our new client and we enter the name and the address of the new client. Now the way that I want the integration to work is that as soon as you entered sufficient address elements in this section over here, then I want the rad map to zoom in on the address that's just been entered. And as you can see here, I'm beginning to perform a manual zoom into the map itself. Now Telerik offers a fully functional, feature-rich mapping control that enables all of the functionality that you normally would get with online applications like Bing or Google Maps. You can find more information about the rad map control online here at this URL address. Okay, that's enough talking about the concept. Let's go ahead and do an end-to-end demonstration of the solution. Now I've got a new client that's just come in, Miss Helen Mayer. So I will do a very quick check on her surname and the town in which she lives. And the system has come back with a suggestion, a Mayer Cranfield, which is a proximity match based on the slider scale that we've got up here. But I can see straight away that this is not the Mayer that I'm looking for in London. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Inception section and start creating a new individual here. So Helen Mayer, and I'll take a few defaults. And her postcode is N76LJ, and she lives on 400 Holloway Road, and the town will be London. Now, I've placed an event on the selection change of this drop down because I'm assuming that sufficient address elements have been entered by this stage, and this should cause the rad map to zoom in, which it does. Awesome. Now because the aerial view is switched on, we probably can't see the road name, so I'm going to switch the view and zoom out slightly, and we can see that indeed that we're on Holloway Road here, and this is probably the location of 400 Holloway Road. Now rad map at this point in time has captured the latitude and the longitude coordinates of the address that's just been entered. So now, as soon as I click the create button, it will create the entity and pass that geocoding information along with the client inception process. Okay, so it's gone ahead and created client number 43. Now if I close this form down, or actually, sorry, it'll auto open the form. And if I just scroll down to the address section, I'll just double click on the newly created address, we can see that the latitude and the longitude of the address has just been entered. Great, okay, so that concludes this demonstration. Thank you for watching.